here's the deal. Things starting to fray. Like, okay, I just can't go to the store without worrying about whether I need to be wearing a mask, and maybe someone else has something and I might actually catch something and not even know it for a while. And oh man, my hours at work are getting more and more limited. Or, oh my gosh, I don't even have a job, and how am I going to pay for everything? And you're beginning to fray at the edges. I'm homeschooling those kids. Ah, you're beginning to fray at the edges, and it feels very unsafe. It feels very insecure. I hear you. I hear you, and whatever this one is for you, I don't know what it is. Maybe you got a parent that isn't okay. Maybe, and now it's just really beginning to happen at a bigger rate, maybe taken out more at the same time. And now the other end of things is starting to fall apart, and pretty soon you're just feeling woozy. I I know. I know that it doesn't have to be this way. It doesn't have to be this uh, just really uncomfortable, horrible thing. I know that we can begin, right, to weave together some of these pieces that have frayed. We can actually make them stronger. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. And some people get all caught up in it's not being the same. But here's the deal, folks. Every day, regardless of quarantine or coronavirus or whatever, every day things change. Every day things are not the same. But if we reweave them, if we tie the loose ends together, what happens is you'll get stronger. You can't pull all those bits out anymore. Get stronger together.